Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So guys, in this video we will have our discussion on the Canadian elections which is scheduled for April 28th, regarding which liberals and conservatives are on a very tight race. Even if you will look at the public opinion polls and all, so it's going to be very tight, very close kind of fight, regarding which regarding for this subject only, a lot of the subscribers and valued community members have been asking me that Nipun, what you have to add or what you have to say. I have also watched the video done by Joni Petri, very well known, very respectful, very knowledgeable Vedic astrologer as well. So I just thought guys I can share my own inputs as well. Again guys, like the way you would have seen that in the thumbnail as well, I'm not gonna be giving any accurate prediction because the strong contenders, I do not have any way of getting their birth details and all. So I will be just giving you my way of looking at or studying the chart, or what could be my best guess when it comes down to that who is going to stand a strong chance. Now, like the way I already mentioned this thing, that the opinion polls are somehow giving a leverage or a winning hand to the liberals, Mark Carney. So after Justin Trudeau's resignation in January and his appointment as just to save the party and all, so many people have been now rooting on him. The way he has been, the whole rhetoric of the Pierre Poilievre has been of change, and of Mark Carney is of the Trump. So what we can say. So guys, over here I will be giving more emphasis to the country's chart. So looking at the country's chart, we can we can come to a conclusion, or we can say this thing that okay, relying on this country's chart, what looks like to be in their best advantage. Because guys, the way it is happening right now, see, you have to understand that you have to sail as per the direction of the wind. We are actually running some very sensitive, tumultuous kind of times. The kind of theme which Saturn Rahu conjunction and all of that, planetary conjunction which happened in the March, that it would have created. So I mean to say, and even in the world right now, if you will see, there has been a rise of the right-wing political parties, the way they have come to the forefront. And again guys, even if you will look at the screen right now, even if you will look at the chart of the Canada, so in Canada's chart, they have got a Pisces rising. Saturn is going to be transiting right over there in the first house. Second thing is that if you will see, in majority of the the debates of the amongst the political party heads and all, so Pierre Poilievre has always talked about the housing concern, the living standard and all. So majority of the the middle class people are the followers of the conservative, the way conservative has their major base in Alberta, Saskatchewan, and if you will compare it with the liberals who have got strong footing in the urban areas in Ontario and British Columbia and all. So again guys, if I were to say, looking at this chart, because even Jupiter is going to be transiting in the 4th house, so the housing related concern, Saturn transiting in the 1st house of the country. So the way conservative can benefit Canadians at this point of time, I don't see that much of the benefit which the country can get from a liberal head of the the country and all, liberal party coming to power. And even guys, if you have to see Donald Trump, so Donald Trump is a kind of a person who works more on the basis of the relationship, the kind of rapport he has with the party leaders or the country head. And somehow Justin Trudeau failed very terribly over there in establishing a good relationship with Donald Trump administration and all. So giving attention to everything, again guys, my best guess, and again guys, more than the guess, it's just that I personally feel that conservative could be the they can bring the kind of solution, panacea, remedy to all the ongoing problems which the Canadians are facing right now. Second thing is that, guys, even if you have to briefly, roughly look at the chart of the, like, again, we do not have the correct time of birth. Even if we have to look at the chart of the Mark Carney, for example, the Liberal candidate. So obviously, like when I watched him on the debate and all, so he has got that charm, that allure, that magnetism about him, and obviously the kind of expertise which he brings on the table, on the board. He could be the right person to, like, come up with a solution or a good financial solution to the ongoing woes and all. So if you will look at his chart, guys, looking at his chart, first of all, like he has got his Jupiter in the Aries, his Moon and Mars are there in the Leo. Now guys, the concern over here is that whether you will take up the chart of the Pierre Polivar or the, like, Mark Carney, obviously, like, if you do not know the time of the birth, the Lagan, the ascendant is going to change. But the moon sign, there is a least possibility, because like moon can also change the sign on the same day as well. But if you will see the degrees of the moon, so there's a high possibility that both of them have got Leo moon sign. In case of the Mark Carney, if you will see, he has got that Chandra Mangal, moon and Mars in the Leo. And if you will take up the case of the Pierre Polivar, he has got moon being conjunct with Rahu and Saturn. The only concern is that if you have, like, your moon and Rahu in the Leo, so that means you are right now going through the time of the Rahu Ketu inversion. So that means where your natal Rahu is, Ketu is going over it. So that could be a time of the confusion, sudden turnaround of the things, reversal of the fortune, unpredictable kind of outcomes. So it's just like that in this kind of given situation and scenario. So either it's going to be Mark Carney with kind of majority and the support, he could come to power. For the in case of the Pierre Polivar, he will be needing the support of some allied coalition government, so over where NDP can come to the rescue and all. So again, guys, it was very vague, but just because a lot of the people have been asking me this thing, so somehow in the back of my mind I knew this thing, that a conservative kind of a right-wing kind of political party is something which the Canadian needs, because this is what the need of the hour is. And again, I'm not talking about from the point of view of the different political parties with a different roadmap or solution in their sleeves in order to get rid of the problem or bring a solution to the problem. It's just like that, this is what the wave is, and the best solution to any ongoing crisis or like problem is you follow the direction of the wind if you want to survive. So yes, guys, that's all what I want to say over here. It's going to be a very short and crisp video. I was initially thinking about saying that in a short as well, but again, there will be, if I will not give a rational explanation, then there is going to be a lot of the backlash and trolling and hate comments and all. So I just wanted to say that, okay, whatever I am saying, what is the basis of that? So yes, guys, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. Once again, thanks a lot for watching this video, and for further more updates and notification on the divine signs
or third-party calendar events.
Oh, sorry. So yes, guys, for further more updates and notification on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. Dhanyavad.